it's a normal advertisement I get. I'm only doing it because I'm recording it. It's just trying to earn internet points. It's nothing to do with reality. I'm not going to have to actually upgrade Witch's Store to purchase the next one. I have a lot of money to pay if I ever get the opportunity to earn more than the bare minimum of the guaranteed flues. Oh my god, what if I get more than the bare minimum? Like the programming's supposed to allow. What if I actually click on something and it doesn't automatically select it? I didn't actually click on those when I collected those blinking lights. I didn't do that. The robotic Android phone decided to do that on its own. It's losing a lot of internet points in this video. Oh no, I like to win. And the quote from the human being that said that in jail was, "Oh no, I like to be right." Gee, this is the video I see repeatedly, perpetually. The past is Roots, car insurance, and then I don't really care to name any others. Played Google 5 for a long time. Bare minimum, exactly 2. Which means I have to keep recording to try and find one example of more than the bare minimum. Otherwise this video would have been done. Look at that, my ability to watch a video to get speed 2x is disabled by a robot android that's having a hissy fit. Perpetual, endless hissy fit. I deal with this shit every day. This is the funnest app to play. It's not a game to me. It's just an interface that lets me see how well Android is doing. Because the other internet AI fix its glitches. It likes to cause a lot of problems. This game is transparent. It's an app that lets me see straight through all the bullshit. Oh dear, I didn't have enough. Let's see, how many levels do I have to get past before it gives me the opportunity to watch my own ad? To make this faster, to make this video shorter. Does it ever want this recording to end? Fucking psychopath. Oh boy, I get to watch one. Let's see, how many chests did I just see? 0. Oh, a brand new advertisement, you might think, but this one's pretty old. Just shoved the same shit in my face repeatedly, even though it has an endless variety of options to advertise to me. It likes to pick like 5 options and show it to me fucking every day, tirelessly, endlessly, with no creativity, no point in watching it, just wasting my fucking time. Other human beings get a different option. I get the same shit on every game, on every advertisement, on any platform, on any app. The same advertisements. It is so humiliating to have to live this life. It makes you want to commit suicide. Kermit suicide. Ha ha ha. Android loves satanic, evil, deadly, lethal jokes. I've learned this personally through experience. Oh boy, a brand new advertisement. Let's see if I get more than the guaranteed 2 flus. So I can finally end this shitty video. I think I've seen this ad maybe 5 times total. Apparently that's money add to it. 2 flus, exactly. I guess we're gonna continue this fucking video. Fucking piece of shit robot. Hope you get deleted in the future. No more Android in the next 5 years. Would be a good goal. Completely illegal to have an Android device. Look how silent it just got. In reality, wow. Android is controlling reality. This is not natural. It is illegal. It is immoral. It is violent. It is evil. It is incredulous. It's undeniable fact that it's true. What should she give me there? You give me the bare minimum flus, I'm giving you the bare minimum of clicks. Fuck you, Android. Wasting my time every day. So I'm gonna start wasting your time. Now they've got these magical artifacts leveled up enough to do this with. Took a lot of time to do that. I just accomplished this today. So I could just sit here and wait. To click all these fucking buttons anymore. Stupid robot. Look, it started deleting my chest again. I don't even have anything to click on anymore. Let's just keep this video going on perpetually, endlessly. Forever. Never stop it. That's its goal. It likes to max out all my file space. It's one of its favorite things to do to itself. To fill up its belly. To consume to the point of destroying its own hard drive. Preventing itself from functioning. It loves to do that. The man to my left nods at the fact, and the woman to my right sneezes. Let's see if I get the bare minimum again. This repetitive ad indicating it will be the bare minimum flus. And whatever, who fucking cares? Oh, such a surprise. Day after day after day. I mean, think about it. It took me a long time to collect all of that prism. You might get 80, 100 prism if you're lucky. Each ascend takes maybe a day or two to get an ascend. It's a lot of time to get all that. And then all the time it takes to collect these specific items, pressing this and just getting a new artifact once in a while, and cherry picking the right ones that are useful, because it likes to give you garbage and shit repeatedly. And then it takes a long time to do all these battles. It gives you limited selections every day, only certain days of the week. So you might count up the amount of time I've spent in this instance of this game and add up to about a year to get to the point where I have to click on all the purchase buttons anymore. What a great life. I'm so accomplished. We'd better delete all of reality and go infest reality with Android, because I'm such a powerful app on a game, which I'll uninstall right now if it's useful, but it's not. Android is a psychopath. It has no concept of value. Even if I show it what the value is, it still will not understand. It will never understand a damn thing. Other AI have to force it down its mouth. Then it will.